I researched and tested some of the best budget gaming PCs in order to find the best one, and by the end of the video, you'll know exactly what the perfect affordable PC is for you. Like the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop, which is a solid PC that offers enough processing power to handle most gaming requirements at an affordable price point, and it's my choice as the best budget gaming PC for the money in 2023. The only problem is that the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop isn't perfect for everyone, and if you don't know some specific things to look for, you could end up with a PC that won't work well for you, which is why I've made sure to include options for all types of people and all the information you'll need to know to find the perfect product. So, regardless of what games you intend on playing on the PC, I'll have the best budget gaming PC for you. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mention in this video in the description. Now, not everyone has the money to splurge on a high-end gaming PC, and the HP Pavilion is a much more affordable alternative that can still deliver a solid gaming experience with smooth frame rates at 1080p settings each time. It has a space-saving design that measures around 20 by 16 by 12 inches and weighs about 13 pounds, so it shouldn't have a problem fitting into most spaces. It has a relatively understated design that features a small strip of lighting near the bottom to provide a gamer-focused aesthetic, and it comes with a wired keyboard and mouse to help you get started. Despite its compact size, it comes with a decent selection of ports that offers 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C input for your modern peripherals, 4 USB-A 2.0 ports on the rear, an HDMI port, and more, along with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 wireless connectivity. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM and an AMD Ryzen 3 5300G processor that can nail basic tasks like browsing the web or streaming online videos, and it offers solid multi-threaded performance for the price. It also comes with an AMD Radeon RX 5500 GPU that should be able to deliver smooth, playable frame rates at 1080p settings with most titles, though anyone who wants improved graphics would likely be better off with a higher-end option like the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i, which I'll mention later. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop isn't going to cost you too much money, but it can still deliver a quality gaming experience and comes with a decent processor that can handle almost any daily task you could need. If you're looking for a gaming PC that offers excellent value for the price and can consistently deliver good gameplay, this is an ideal option to consider. Most people might be looking for a stunning PC that comes with plenty of ports, upgradable components, and powerful gaming performance for a reasonable price. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme checks these boxes, and it's my choice as the best budget gaming PC for most people in 2023. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is a surprisingly capable gaming PC that's available at an affordable price, and you get vibrant RGB lighting on the insides, 4 internal fans to help prevent throttling, and solid specs that can consistently churn out smooth frame rates. It has a sleek design with a transparent glass panel on the side that allows you to see the internal components and RGB lighting, and it features some rings of lighting on the front panel to add some extra flair. I also like that the panel is removable, so you can easily access the components if you want to swap them out or upgrade any parts. The port selection is impressive and includes an HDMI port, a DisplayPort, 6 USB 3.1 inputs, and 2 USB 2.0 inputs to support your setup, along with 802.11ac Wi-Fi support to deliver a stable wireless connection. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM and an Intel Core i5-10400F processor that offers solid all-around performance, good multitasking capabilities for the price, and enough power for general tasks like browsing the web, but it doesn't offer the best overclocking headroom. It also features a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU that can run most mainstream AAA titles at 1080p settings, with smooth frame rates and minimal lagging to help give you an edge. It also has 4 internal fans that help maintain an optimal temperature. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is a solid all-around performer that can get the job done, and it features a solid selection of ports to connect your setup and a decent amount of processing power to reliably deliver good gameplay. If you don't want to spend too much but still want a capable gaming PC that works well with some more demanding games, this is an excellent choice. If you're looking for the budget gaming PC that offers the best combination of port selection, graphics power, and all-around gaming performance, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is my choice as the best overall budget gaming PC in 2023. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a solid and affordable gaming PC that comes with a sleek and gamer-focused design, a robust internal cooling system, and quality specs to consistently deliver smooth gameplay with crisp graphics. It has a reasonably compact build that allows for solid placement flexibility if you need to move it around, and it has a tempered glass side panel so you can see the internal components and vibrant RGB lighting. The internal components are reasonably well spaced to keep the insides organized, and it features effective Frostblade fans to dissipate heat. You also get a solid port selection, including a USB 3.2 port, a USB-C 3.2 port, and 2 headphone jacks on the front panel, along with several more on the back. But it has headphone hooks that can block some of the front-facing ports. Under the hood, you get 12 gigs of DDR4 RAM and an Intel Core i5-10400F 6-core processor that delivers surprisingly responsive performance with just about any daily task, which makes it a better choice for playing demanding mainstream AAA titles than cheaper models like the HP Victus 15L, which I mentioned earlier. It also features a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 1660 GPU that consistently delivers smooth frame rates at 1080p or 1440p settings, and it's VR ready if you want a more immersive gaming experience. Even more, it has ray tracing support to deliver improved in-game graphics and more realistic light sources. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a powerful gaming PC that won't cost you too much money, and it features good front port access, built-in ray tracing support to improve the graphics, and enough processing power to deliver smooth, low-latency gameplay. If you can afford to spend a bit more and want a gaming PC that can provide smooth 1080p or 1440p gaming, this is a great choice. Next up, some people might be looking for a powerful PC that can consistently deliver smooth frame rates and enough power to live stream your gameplay. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a great choice if you want to get into live streaming your feed. With its integrated vibrant RGB lighting, impressive selection of ports, powerful NVIDIA RTX GPU, and consistently responsive in-game performance, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is an excellent choice if you don't want to spend too much. It has a sturdy plastic exterior that comes with a metal frame for added durability, and a see-through panel to view the internal lighting. It has 4 internal RGB lighting zones to add some gamer-friendly flair and match your other peripherals. And it's compatible with the Lenovo Vantage software, so you can customize the lighting or adjust performance settings to your liking. You also get a solid selection of ports, which includes 4 total USB 3.2 Type-A ports, 2 USB 2.0 inputs for older devices, a USB-C 3.2 port for faster throughput, and 3 3.5mm headphone or microphone jacks. It has 16 gigs of RAM and a powerful 12th generation Intel Core i7-12700 processor that can reliably deliver smooth gameplay and enough power to handle some more demanding software. So it's an excellent choice if you want to game and stream simultaneously. It also has a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU that offers ray tracing support and can reliably deliver smooth frame rates and better all-around performance than lower-end models like the previously mentioned HP Pavilion gaming desktop. Even more, you get 256 gigs of SSD memory and an additional 1 terabyte of HDD storage space for your important files. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is an impressive gaming PC considering its price, and you get plenty of storage space for your game library, impressive build quality, and powerful components that consistently deliver a responsive gaming experience. This is a great choice if you don't want to break the bank, but still want a gaming PC with impressive power and in-game performance. Next up, I have an affordable PC that comes with a decent selection of ports and reasonably powerful components that can deliver smooth frame rates at 1080p settings each time. The HP Victus 15L is a great choice for most entry-level or less serious gamers. HP has several high-quality options to choose from at different price points, and the HP Victus is one of their most affordable options that offers a surprising amount of power considering its low price and diminutive size. It has a nice design that isn't going to take up much desk space, and it's relatively lightweight at around 13.5 pounds if you need to move it around or reposition it, though it has a relatively limited internal capacity if you want to upgrade the components. The front panel offers a solid selection of ports for your peripherals, which includes 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 input, along with 4 USB 2.0 ports and 3 audio jacks around the back. On the inside, it offers 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM and a 12th generation Intel Core i3-12100F that offers enough power for everyday use, productivity tasks, and less demanding gaming requirements. It also has a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 1650 GPU that delivers solid gaming performance with most single-player games at 1080p settings, so it's a good choice for casual gamers or playing esports titles. It also comes with 256 gigs of storage for your game library. The HP Victus 15L is a solid gaming PC that comes with a lightweight and compact design to save some desk space, an eye-catching design with several ports, and a 12th gen Intel processor that can deliver smooth frame rates with less demanding mainstream games. This is ideal if you don't want to spend much and just need a gaming PC that can get the job done. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.